Hello and welcome to another MCO update on DOT. The Polkadot chart is currently, reacting a little bit to these lower support lines that we talked about in previous updates. Specifically here, the swing low from October 2023, August 2024, November 2024, and then obviously it formed the local low here, formed a marginally lower low below these previous swing lows and starts to recover. I do not see new all-time highs. I know a lot of influencers are talking about that. They talk about very unrealistic prices for DOT. I do not see that. Yeah, I don't see that. My view is that we could get a corrective rally in the yellow wave 2, or, and I'm happy to support that case, a larger degree wave 2 as per the white scenario, because what we do have on the larger time frame is a corrective rally into the 2021 high and then a 5-wave move down, and all the movements after that swing low in October 23 are simply just corrective. Now, I think we can definitely make a case for the white scenario, but even in this scenario, the market might only reach the area around $11 or so, the 100% extension. We can track that move to the upside step by step, but the Bitcoin dominance is still very high. It is still increasing, and the reaction to the upside is really, really weak here on the DOT chart. So that's just what I wanted to communicate on the bigger picture. Please note that the larger degree resistance area is defined between $5.31 and $8.84. So this is standard resistance, and without any clear break above that zone, the yellow scenario is very, very likely. So what I am tracking on the smaller time frame to start with is a B wave pullback right now, which could lead to a C wave rally. And I mean, that might be all of wave 2. It might extend a bit. That's what we're going to track over the next few weeks. But the reaction, as you can see, is really, really weak. We haven't even broken above the swing high from end of March, which would be next structural resistance at $4.80. So yeah, I'm not impressed by the structure here. I'm not very bullish on this chart. However, I do support higher prices in the very short term, potentially in a larger corrective rally. Let us take a look at the shorter time frame for DOT as well. Here you can see that the market has formed a 3-wave move to the upside so far. That could be in the yellow scenario an A wave. This here could be a B wave pullback, and then a C wave rally to the upside. As I said, that could be that yellow wave too. That's one scenario. The B wave support area ranges down to $3.42 if needed. So in that case, the market, hold on. In that case, the market could be working on this yellow B wave. Let's add the microstructure for that onto the chart. A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. And in that C wave, we might even see another low. So I can track a wave 1, I can track a wave 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's shift everything over so that we have the space that we need for this scenario. But basically what it means that in the yellow scenario, we could get another low, and it would take a break above initial resistance for yellow wave 4 to indicate that a low has formed. So what would be resistance for yellow wave 4? I can give you the nearest resistance level, and it would be the 50% retracement of this internal third wave down. And hold on, that is located at $4.09. So that means, in other words, any break above $4.09 means that a low is likely in. And if that low forms before the price breaks below $3.79, we might form a 5th wave up, which would be more clearly bullish. Still not in terms of getting to all-time highs, but still short-term bullish. So that's what we are tracking right now. That means next support levels, $3.90 and $3.79. Here I'm watching for reaction. If it goes above $4.09, then it might be the white scenario. As long as below $4.09, the direct pressure is down, but we've now reached a key support level, so we'll see if the price reacts here. So far, the reaction is very, very small. That's the update on DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.